We are down here in good old central Ohio. It's been snowing quite a bit all day. See, the road's pretty bad. Still snowing. Been snowing a couple hours. See all the cars just covered. I actually got about a half-hour drive home, so this'll be fun. And we have somebody wanting to. Not sure what this guy's doing. But as you can see, there's people out shoveling the driveways. There's about half a foot on the ground, which is quite a bit for what we're used to around here. About an inch on the roads. See, I give it some gas. I just sit there, and my traction light comes on. Well, probably gonna keep getting worse. So we shall see. I'm sliding, hitting my brakes. And we're gonna turn here. We're gonna try to turn. Oh yeah. Not turning at all.